Alrighty, so I've stopped here in the middle of the desert of Death Valley in a place called Furnace Creek because I was absolutely starving and the bear needs to be fed. So I'm fed and watered, paid $9 for a coffee and a small cinnamon roll because it's being in the middle of nowhere, super expensive. But if you look around, it's so cool. It really is like an oasis in the middle of the desert. There's palm trees everywhere. So it's oh yeah, there's the diner over there, and you can see the mountains, a couple of people having lunch. It's just super cool. And there's some more mountains over there, surrounded by palm trees. So now it's time to get back on the road, head through Badwater Basin and slowly make my way back to Pahrump this afternoon and get some more footage along the way and get home and have a cold beer. Woo! Yeah, baby! Jesus. So I've made it to Badwater Basin down here. I think before, when I took the video and I was on top of Black Mountain, I was way up there somewhere overlooking the basin. So now I've come down here after stopping to get some lunch, and yeah, it's quite warm today. At least it's not Australia and humid. It's a nice dry heat, so I can handle it just about. I really need a beer though. But anyway, this is Badwater Basin. So you can see we're in the middle of the valley here. This is where all the water used to run through, not for a very long time. But when they do have a large amount of rainfall, you do get flash flooding down here. So there's signs up telling you to be aware if you're down here in the rainy season. But yeah, apart from that, it's very dry. I haven't seen any wild animals since I've been in Death Valley. I saw, of course, the wild horses this morning and the wild burros, but I haven't seen a single thing since I've been in this national park. So maybe it's too hot, maybe it's 2 o'clock and they're having a siesta somewhere, who knows. Anyway, so there you go, moving on.